Hi, I'm Paul and I'm 46. I was diagnosed with severe Haemophilia B when I was 5. My current treatment is prophylaxis once a week with an extended half-life product. I currently work as an operations work health safety manager for my brother's engineering company that services the manufacturing, agriculture and food and beverage industries. My career path started when I left school and completed a 4-year apprenticeship as a shipwright or boat builder. I worked in this field for 14 years where I became a leading hand responsible for coordinating various trades and ensuring work schedules were met. This was a great job that I really enjoyed. However, I started to develop arthritis in my left ankle, which was my target joint. This became quite painful and started to impact on my ability to do the physical side of my job. This is when I decided it was time for a career change. I didn't want to be working in constant pain and do more damage to the ankle joint. So I applied for a position as a work health and safety officer for an earth moving company that worked in remote parts of South Australia and southwestern Queensland, and this was in the oil and gas fields. As it was remote, it was a fly-in, fly-out position, so I'd work 2 weeks on and have 2 weeks off. I spent 7 years in this position. During that time I completed my diploma in work health and safety. This was also another great job. It involved a lot of travel in remote areas, seeing some interesting countryside. The people I worked for were also fantastic and understanding of my haemophilia. And during this time, the arthritis in my ankle got worse, and after discussion with my haematologist and orthopaedic specialist, I decided it would be the best for me if I had the ankle joint fused. This was to limit the pain from the arthritis and joint bleeds. After having the fusion done, it turned into 8 weeks off work and probably another 12 weeks on crutches after that. This made life in the camp a bit of a challenge, but I found a way to manage. While working in this position, I was approached by my brother, who I currently work for, to see if I'd consider coming to work for him in the role of operations, work health and safety manager, as his business was growing and needed more help. After 7 years of working in the desert and the FIFO life, I decided to take him up on the offer. That was 8 years ago now. Now I'm back in the industry where my career started, doing what I enjoy, building things, solving problems for clients and doing stuff better. We currently employ over 60 people with a number of different skill sets and have a growing client base. My advice, don't be afraid to do what you love, enjoy. If I had have listened to my doctor's advice, I would never have taken on my apprenticeship and would have never experienced the great things in my career that I have.